Good evening, guys. Welcome back with the second puzzle. The second puzzle is a four stars Sudoku. Four stars Sudoku in the additional of today's newspaper on Friday. September the 8th, 2023. Already solved one puzzle. Yes, the three star Sudoku. Three puzzles are left. The binary. We have a tectonic, aka a jigsaw Sudoku, and this one you are interested. It's the 4 stars Sudoku number. This will be number 7061. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one has 24 printed digits. Yes. 4 digits less than the previous Sudoku. It's a kind of indication of the difficulty level. The less printed digits, the more it will be difficult, but you cannot always say that. Sometimes you have a puzzle with a lot of pairs, a lot of hidden numbers, then you will need more time to solve that puzzle. But for 4 stars puzzle, we need 30 minutes or more to solve. That's my time limit. Is this really a 4 stars? We don't know. We will see. So let's get started. Let me scan the puzzle. We have 4 ones. Well. We have here 2 twos, 3 threes, no 4s, 3 5s, 4 6s. Well. How about the 7s, 3 7s? 3 8s and 2 9s. So the 1s and the 6s are in majority. Can I start with the 1 or with the 6? Yeah. Well, we have a 1 in first row, 1 in third row, so the row between second row, the only 2 place level 1 should be here or there. We see a 1 in this column, middle column, no 1 there, 1 should be there, 1 in this column, 1 in the middle column, so the column next, the only 2 place left for the 1 should be here or there. We see a 1 in this row, no 1 there, 1 should be there, 1 1. Well, I cannot continue with the 1. I need to wait. How about the 6? 6 in the third row, 6 in the second row. So in the first row, only 2 place left for 6 should be here or there. We see a 6 in this column, no 6 there. 6 should be there. 6 in the last column, 6 in the column next. So in that column, the only 2 place left for the 6 should be here or there. We see a 6 in this row, no 6 there. 6 should be there. 6 in this row, 6 in that row. So in the row between the middle row, the only 2 place left for the 6 should be here or there. We see a 6 in the second column, no 6 there. 6 should be there. 6, okay. 6 in this column, 6 in the middle column, so the column next, the only 2 place left for the 6 should be here or there. We see a 6 in this row, no 6 there. 6 should be there. 6 in the third column, 6 in the second column. So in the first column, the only 2 places left for the 6 should be here or there. We see a 6 in this row, so no 6 there. 6 should be there. Do we have all the 6s? Let me count, and all the 6s are used. I can see digit number 1, number 6. We go back to the 1. Let me see. Yes, now I can complete the ones. 1 in the first column, 1 in the second column, so the third column, the only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We see a 1 in this row, no 1 there. 1 should be there. 1 in this row, 1 in that row. So the row between the middle row, the only place left for the 1 should be there. 1 in this column, 1 in the column next. So in the last column, the only 3 places left for the 1 should be here or there. You see 1 in the last row, no 1 there. Here 1 in that row, no 1 there. So the only place left for the 1 should be there. And all the 6s, and all the 1s are used. I can see. Digit number 2, number 1. Okay. All right. Yeah. 8. How about 4 missing numbers in this big square? One of the missing numbers is a 7. We have a 7 in this row, so no 7 in these 3 boxes. So 1 box left for the 7 in this big square. Should be there then. 7 in this row, 7 in the row below. So last row, the only 2 places left for the 7 should be here or there. We see a 7 in the last column, no 7 there. 7 should be there. 7 in this row, 7 in the middle row, so the row above, the only 2 places left for the 7 should be here or there. We see a 7 in the middle column, no 7 there. 7 should be there. 7. 7. Well, will be difficult now for the 7. Need to wait. How about, yeah, I'm thinking. Need an 8 here. Need an 8 there. Need an 8 here. 8 there. Well. 3, 4, 9. Yeah. Come on. 7 here. 2. But the 3. Well, 5 in the last row. 5 in the row above. So that row, the only place left for the 5 should be there. 5. No 5 here. 5. Interesting. Yeah. 3. Yeah. We have here 5 missing numbers in this row. 2 of those missing numbers in this row are the numbers 3 and 9. We have 3 and 9 in this big square, so no 3 and 9 in these 3 boxes. The 3 and 9 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair in this row. 3 and 9, 3 and 9. Let me mark those 2 boxes. All right. So, then the 3 and the 9. So need a 3 here. Need a 9 here. 4, 8, 2. 2, 4, 8. Interesting. 9. Need a 7 there. 7 here. The 5 here. Let me put some numbers. It's taking too long. 8, 2, 4. 8, 2, 4. 8, 2, 4. 8. 8. Come on. 3, 4, 9. 3, 4, 9. 3 in this row, 3 in the second row, so the third row. The only 2 places left on the 3 could be here, could be there. Here we have a 3. Here we have 3. That means in this column, these 2 boxes can be 3 because we have 3 in the second row, we have 3 in the first row, so no 3 in these 2 boxes. But also that box can be a 3 because we have a 3 in one of those 2 boxes in this big square, so no 3 there. So the only place left for 3 in this column should be there. Okay. And now 9, 4, 2, 9, 4. 3 in this column, 3 in the middle column, so the column next, now only 2 places left for 3 should be here. Or there, we see 3 in this row, no 3 there, 3 should be there. 3 in this row, 3 in the middle row, so in the row above, the only 2 places left for the 3 should be here. Or there, we see 3 in the first column, no 3 there, 3 should be there. 3 in the first column, 3 in the second column, so the third column, the only 2 places left for the 3 should be here. Or there, we see 3 in this row, no last row, so no 3 there, 3 should be there. And now I cannot continue with the 3. How about 2, 2, 2, 2? 2, 2. 4 and a 9. 4 and a 9. 2, 4, 9. 2, 4, 9. 2, 4. Need a 7 here. Yeah. I need a 5 here. 8. 8. Here I need a 8. Here I need a 8. Oh, 8 in this column, 8 in the second column. So third column, the only place left for the 8 should be there. 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 8. We have 8 in the last row, so no 8 in this box here, and 8 in this column, no 8 in that box. So 1 box left for the 8 in this big square should be there. So 2 numbers left in this big square for us. The 1, the 2 is missing, the 3, and the 4 is missing. 2 and 4, 2 and 4. Let me mark those 2 boxes. Okay. 2, 4, and need a 9 here. 2, 4, and 7. 2, 4, and 9. The 8 here. 8, 8, 8. 8, 8, 8. We have a pair. The 5 and 8 in this column, the 5 and 8 in the column next. So the last column, the only 2 places left for the 5 and 8 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 5 and 8, 5 and 8. So I've eliminated here the 3. So the 3 goes here. 3 and 9, we have a 3 now in this column, so no 3 there. 3 should be here. 9 goes there. Okay. So 3 missing numbers now. One of the missing number in this big square is number 2. We have a 2 in this row, so no 2 in these 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 2 in this big square should be there. So 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers 1, the 2, 3, 4 is missing. The 5, the 6, and the 7 is missing. 4 and 7, 4 and 7. We have a 7 in this column, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and 4 goes there. 7 in the first column, 7 in the second column. So the first column, the only 2 places left for the 7 should be here. Or there, we see a 7 in the second row, no 7 there. 7 should be there. 7 in this column, 7 in the middle column. So the column next, the only 2 places left for the 7 should be here. Or there, we see a 7 in the third row, no 7 there. 7 should be there. 1 box left in this column for number. The 1, the 2 is missing. Here we have a 2 and a 4. We have a 2 now in this column, so no 2 there. 2 should be here. 4 goes there. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2, 3, 4 is missing. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 is missing. 4 and 9. Let me mark those. Alright. 3, 5, and 8. Okay. 8. 5. Do we have all the 7s? And all the 7s are used. I can't see. Yes, digit number 3, number 7. Okay, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2. 1 box left in the last row for number. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4 is missing. 2 missing numbers in the middle row for numbers. The 1, the 2, 3, 4 is missing. The 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, 9 is missing. 4 and 9, 4 and 9. We have a 4 in the second column. No 4 there. 4 should be here. 9 goes there. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1. The 2 is missing. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 is missing. 2 and a 9, 2 and a 9. We have a 9 in the second column. No 9 there. 9 should be here. 2 goes there. Alright. 9 in the first column. 9 in the second column. So third column. The only 2 places left for the 9 should be here or there. We see a 9 in the third row. No 9 there. 9 should be there. 9 in the first row. 9 in the third row. So the row between the second row. The only place left for the 9 should be there. Then 9 in this column, 9 in the middle column. So the column next, the only place left for the 9 should be there. 4 and a 9, we have a 9 now in this row, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 4 goes there. And all the 9s are used. I can't see. Digit number 4, number 9. Okay. How about the 4 in this row, 4 in the middle row? So on the row above, the only place left for the 4 should be there. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. 1, the 2 is missing, the 3, the 4, and the 5 is missing. 2 and the 5, 2 and the 5. We have a 2 in this third column, no 2 there. 2 should be here, 5 goes there. 5 in the third column, 5 in the second column. So in the first column, the only place left for the 5 should be here. 5 and 8, we have a 5 now in the second row, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and 8 goes there. Then 1 box left in this big square for number 1, the 2, 3, the 4 is missing. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2, 3, the 4, 5 is missing. The 6, the 7, and 8 is missing. 5 and 8, 5 and 8. We have a 5 in this row, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and 8 goes there. Well, we have an 8 in this row, 8 in the second row, so third row. The only 2 places left for the 8 should be here or there. We see an 8 in this column, no 8 there. 8 should be there. The 8 in this column, the 8 in that column, so the column between the middle column, the only place left for the 8 should be there. And all the 8s are used. I can see. Digit number 4, number 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Digit number 5, yeah. Well, 1 box left in this row for number 1. The 2 is missing. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2 is missing. The 3 and the 4 is missing. 2 and the 4, 2 and the 4. We have a 2 in this column, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 4 goes there. And the final 2 numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2, 3, 4 is missing. And the 5 is missing. 4 and the 5, 4 and the 5. We have 4 in this column, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 5 goes there. Finish in 17 minutes. Well. 4 stars, no. 3 stars, no. Let me give this a 2 stars because I'm faster than 20 minutes, not faster than 15 minutes. Otherwise, it will be a 1 star. But we solve it again. And I like this one. Yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you in a minute with the other 2 puzzles. Binary, binary, and also the jigsaw Sudoku, jigsaw Sudoku. So see you in a minute. Bye bye for now.